today is someone's special day. You know what? Today is Devanshi's happy birthday. Hi Devanshi. Okay, I have a special message for you, Devanshi, on your birthday. May you shine and sparkle like a star that you are. You know what? Mama and Baba are so much proud of you in many ways. You are such a beautiful and gorgeous girl, baby girl, and we love you so much. And you know, you have so many special messages from the special ones in your life. You want to check that out? And before checking it out, Mama is going to give a kiss, flying, and Mama loves you lot. God bless you, my baby, my beautiful daughter. I love you.
Hi Devanshi, good morning. उठी पड़ो, आज तम बर्थडे, आज तम 4th बर्थडे. जल्दी उठो. અમે રેડી એક નવા ડ્રેસ પહેરીવો તમે આજે. Wish you a happy 4th birthday my little princess. તમે આજે ନନା ଦେଇ କୁନୁ ଭାଇ ଦିନୁ ଭାଇ ମାମାଙ୍କ ସହିତ बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करो, केक कटिंग करो. ଆଉ ଆମେ ମୁଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଇୟର ତମ ସହିତ ଥିବି. ଆମେ ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ସେଲିବ୍ରେଟ୍ କରିବୁ. Uncle made a beautiful cake for you.
Hi Devanshi, happy birthday.
This has chocolates and
Walnuts.
flavor on it. Walnuts,
Orange,
what else?
custard.
Custard. Wow, it's so beautiful cake.
Let's cut the cake.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Devanshi. Happy birthday to you. I'm going to take Devanshi. Wow.
Hi Devanshi, I wish you a happy birthday. This is for you. Stay safe.
हैप्पी बर्थडे माय स्वीटी. भगवान कृपारू तू बहुत भल रह. भगवान तते बहुत फरमाई दे थांतु. मोर गुगुनीटा, मोर कोईनीटा, मोर सुंदरीटा. हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
देवना हैप्पी बर्थडे. विश यू तू भले रह, पाठ पढ़ मन दे, खुशी रह, आनंद रह.
देवु तते मो तरफ जन्मदिन बहुत आशीर्वाद दौची. भल मनीष ह, भल पाठ पढ़.
Hi Devu, happy birthday. जन्मदिनर अनेक शुभेच्छा. God bless you. Love you.
डियर देबू, जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. हमेशा खुश रहना. हैप्पी बर्थडे. लव यू.
Hi Devanshi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy 4th birthday from Mamu and mine. Hope you are doing well. Wish you a very happy birthday. Stay healthy, stay fit. Happy birthday. We are cutting the cake on your behalf. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Devanshi. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, my cherry baby. I love you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Devanshi.
You will forever be my sweet little sister, and I will always love you. Happy birthday, Devanshi.
Happy birthday, my little naughty Devanshu. May your dreams come true on today.
Happy birthday, Devanshi.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday, my
Dear
Kuni
Devanshi.
Mama. Happy birthday to you.
On behalf of Devanshi, you cut the cake and ready to
Eat. Very good. Out there. Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Devanshi. Oh, Natuni. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Birthday to Devanshi. Happy birthday to you.
May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day, Devanshi. May God bless you. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Devanshi.
Happy birthday, Devanshi.
Happy birthday, cutie pie.
Devanshi. Happy birthday, Devanshi. Happy birthday, Devanshi. I love you. I love you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Devu. Happy birthday to you. God bless you, Vachu. Say thank you to Mama that she giving you the best gift. Stay safe and grow beautiful.
Hey Devanshi. Happy birthday. କେମିତି ଅଛୁ ଭଲ God bless you. Love you.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Devanshi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Devanshi. Happy birthday, Puchu. Happy birthday, Puchu. God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Devu. Happy birthday to you. We love you. We miss you.
Happy birthday. Love you, Devu.
Happy birthday to Devu. Happy birthday, dear Devu.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Devu. Happy birthday to Devu. Happy birthday.